Today on fingerlicking.kitchen.com, carrot cake oatmeal. So I discovered a recipe for overnight oatmeal. Today we're going to make one of the most intoxicating and addictive versions that I have found to date. Carrot cake. Yes, I said carrot cake. Deliciously sweet, incredibly simple, mouth-watering carrot cake overnight oatmeal. It has rocked my world. I hope it does the same for you. Please enjoy. Bon appetit. Thanks so much for watching this episode on carrot cake overnight oats. Please go to fingerlicking.kitchen.com to get the full recipe and nutritional tidbits. As always, you can send me photos, comments, questions, and your own recipe requests. Please follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, iFoodTV, and of course, fingerlicking.kitchen.com. I'll see you next time.